everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, oh boy, I'm actually feeling a little bit better, but last night, okay, so 2 days ago, around 6 p.m., I got the COVID booster and I got the flu shot, and just had a sore arm, but I feel like I got a cold. It's possibly I do because my kids are in school, so they could have brought another fun thing home. But anyways, it's early. It's like almost 8 in the morning. I figured I need something chickeny, so this isn't it, but the other two I'm doing today will have chicken influence. This is the third and last of the Noodie varieties that I got from the nice people at Noodie, the 25th century noodle. At least that's how I see it. It's trippy stuff. I think it's neat. There you go. Don't I have scissors? I do. Green noodles. They've got a lot of spirulina in them. That's like good for you stuff. First one I tried of theirs, I loved. The second one I tried, did not love. The third one here is Tonkotsu, and I'm really curious how this sucker's gonna look. So you got a green noodle block. You've got a veggie block, which is also heavy on the color green. It's like broccoli and all sorts of good veggies in there. And it's a cup and a quarter of water that I'd like to pour all into this thing if possible. Which I successfully have done. So this sits for 4 minutes. Push it down a little bit, then I'll put my block on top. There we go. 4 minutes, and now it's already like extremely green. I wonder if it'll be like a light green tonkatsu. That's what I'm hoping for. That'd be really interesting to see. And then I have a block from Kamaboko fish cake. Put that over here. But yeah, I got, like last night I started feeling all warm, like kind of headachy, and like, what's the deal? And then it's like, oh, I think my brother had this happen, but he had it much worse. But yeah, but I guess that means that you're building up immunity and it's learning or something. So I'm good, but I got the flu shot and the booster, both like within 2 seconds of each other. So I knew there was a possibility, but kind of achy, kind of chills, kind of tired, really tired, kind of feel a little blah. But that's all right. But the other possibility is that the kids have been going to school. Maybe they brought home something new. So that's always in the possible. And it's really cloudy and dark. So much so, I'm hoping that the glamour shots of these noodles will come out pretty good. Because if you look over here, I think you can probably see. Can you see the reflection in the window? I don't know. Can you see the reflection in the window? I don't think you can. That's weird. It's totally, I see myself. Oh, what's going on? We went to the Halloween store yesterday for the kiddos, and Mimi was scared. That's right. They had some pretty neat like animatronic displays. They had one where it was like this big ghoulish thing going like this, and I think one of its hands was underneath the neck of like this like little girl with like some kind of like long sparkly gown on, and the ghoulish thing was going like rah, 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 rah. It was saying some crap, and then it said something like, now I will eat your soul, or something like that, and it brings it closer. It shines a light, and the animatronic of the kid blows like stage fog out in a small amount, and that light goes right through it, and it totally looks like it's sucking out the kid's soul. It's freaking, that was tight. It's like, I want one of those things. I want to make it say other things, like just have like the intro to Price is Right going on or something crazy like that. 40 seconds to go. But yeah, that's pretty kooky stuff. I like kooky stuff. I think that's fun. I tried to find something. I just wanted the thing that goes over your head that has one side of the knife, butcher knife on one side, and the other side of the butcher's knife on the other. And like an entire store, just Halloween junk. They didn't have the knife through the head. It's like, I don't know. Miles is gonna be Spider-Man though, and it's like the little outfit has like the little muscular rib things. I think it's gonna be pretty funny. He'll just be there like, I'm looking forward to that. Maybe I'll just be the friendly neighborhood ramen raider. That'd work. The friendly neighborhood ramen raider. Now, the moment of truth for the Noodie Tonkotsu. God, I hope this is light in color. I would really like to have light green. No, not the lightest green, but it'll be a lighter green Tonkotsu, I think. I've had like vegan and vegetarian tonkotsus that were absolutely fantastic before, so we'll see how this goes. I think they're veggie block. Ow! God, freaking Jesus! Might overwhelm the tonkotsuiness, but we'll see. I mean, I don't know. That seems pretty well combined. So let's take a forkful. Yeah. Cheers. Interesting. It's like the vegetable really has a way of getting into the broth, which is a good thing. They're freeze dried. I mean, look, that's just like a little bit of vegetables. That's not bad. I will say, so there's peanut chili, smoky garlic, and tonkatsu. Of the three, I would rank them in personal enjoyment order: peanut chili, tonkatsu, then the smoky garlic. And I couldn't honestly stand the smoky garlic. That one I just totally repelled by. I'm really bummed to have to say that, but this isn't bad. Oh, and it is kind of a lighter green. It's tough though, because the amount of broth to noodle ratio is so extreme that it doesn't give me a lot of room to move here, but we'll figure it out. We'll do this sucker up. Look at all that veg though. That's a lot of vegetables. That broth, actually, I wish there was a bit more of that broth because it looks beautiful. It is so green. Okay, so it's tonkatsu. I know it's vegan. It will not be vegan in a moment. So the first, we have to slap some chashu on this. I like this one. This one's really good. Some homemade chashu. Boy, where am I gonna put that? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Tonkotsu. Yes, and then some egg. Come on, egg. Okay. Like that. Lovely. Lovely egg. Rinse this. That egg, it'll stick to it, that yolk. And make it just a pain to do anything else with. We got chashu, we got egg. It is no longer vegan, that's for sure. And Maruto. Magical spoon. Oh, I have a magical spoon. I'll have to use this rainbow spoon. We got these weird spoons. They call them rainbow spoons. And just the right light, they kind of change color, but that just the right light is seldom seen. Add a little more green to the scene. Some seeds, a little contrast. And just because I like to, I'm going to add a little bit of shichimi right on the tonkotsu. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. On the chashu. Yeah. Did I say chashu or did I say tonkotsu? It's all tonkotsu. Yeah. There we go. Let's do this. Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one you'll see me do, this is a Nissan Donbe chicken paitan udon from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Now, this looks fancy. So paitan is like chicken's answer to pork, tonkotsu. So sounds good. Thanks to the folks over at Noodie for letting me try these. These have been a lot of fun and really fascinating, so that's rad of you. All right, so you'll see more tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.